to. Great for allergy sufferers. No need to move furniture. Dries in 2 hours. Protects against germs and bacteria for up to 6 months. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Fresh and dry. Find them on Google and Facebook.
Marty and Campo here. School zones are now in force.
Ipswich Kia remind you to slow down to 40.
Route 949 and Ipswich Kia, keeping our kids safe on our roads. Club Services Ipswich, open 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. guaranteed.
River 949 traffic.
Brisbane Road, a heavy westbound run around Berkins Hill Road, and Cunningham Highway looks like it's getting a little bit of a build on around Middle Road through Perga. It's been clear this afternoon for the Warrego between Toowoomba and Ipswich, and it is starting to build Ipswich motorway around Rockley out through towards Blunder Road. Some fairly busy traffic for Johnson Road, mostly in the eastbound direction through Forestdale. Good cruise with Norwegian Cruise Line.
Hello, Skip.
Good the opposition is, good, bad or indifferent, you can't neglect them because they're a fuck.
This is a double line. He's coming straight around me as if I'm not here. You're an idiot. Absolutely. But oh yeah, you should be able to see them at the lights. That's nice and legal. Here's a third one. Look at that. Here you go. Welcome. Welcome to the western suburbs. Look at all these. Forget about it.
Now he's going to be a free man within days. There is no justice in that.
Don't worry about headlights. They're an optional extra.
They don't even know it. Glenn, where are you?
Barger, on Arena Road.
Yeah, what have you found?
Indicators are optional, Mr. Marley signs.
Mechanic has lost some of the page
At 2tv.com.
Oh, he's fucking special. He's special. Asshole.
16 for my 8th birthday, you decided to do something about it.
Not those poor deprived boredom children, you know. The one thing he didn't have as a boy.
Oh, you fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. What's this idiot doing? What? Oh, pick a fucking lane. You have no idea, do you? Just drift out. Don't worry about it. Shit.
Metropolitan region. He was arrested and taken to Sutherland Police Station.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing? Fucking retard.
Together in the Battle of the Coral Sea in 1942, the origins of the alliance were formalised in 1951. The second consequence is it laid the foundation.
Nice.
Yeah.
He didn't even look. The kid didn't even look. I nearly just bulldozed this kid with my car. He just came wheeling out in front of me. He didn't even look. Oh, you can't go straight from this one, you idiot. You want to see bogged? That is well and truly bogged. Like, he is in deep. Look at that. That is just insane. That's bogged to the max.
Whatever. Yeah. The others don't. So yeah, it depends, you know, who you're talking to. Mate, you don't want to let you in, but
kill me. She's fed up deliberately. It's pretty cool. Why do you recognize the cameras in the car?
You fucking donut.
Holy shit. Alright. Come on.
Oh!
Oh, there's that.
Yeah, the truck's hit him.
Oh, right. I didn't realise the truck had hit him. I thought he hit the car.
Our shitbag titty fucker of the week goes to
motherfucker.
As its Australian HQ in Sydney. If trials succeed, it would be produced locally. Scott Morris telling Jonesy and Amanda it could be rolled out early next year. Amanda it could be rolled out early next year.
Yeah, one arsehole.
The most promising and most advanced. So we've been able to strike a deal, which means we can manufacture.
Before matches after being found guilty of biting panellist Sean Johnson. And Mark Leishman says being at home for his son's birthday was worth sacrificing a day of prep as he gears up for a massive 5 weeks featuring the US PGA Tour's playoffs and the US Open. Next, delivery. Order a new fridge or washing machine by 5 p.m. and we'll deliver to you the next day. Head to daily.com.au for details.
With Uber Eats, you can have fast, fresh food delivered straight to your door. Have your favourite dish delivered with Uber tonight. Order via the Uber Eats app.
Windy across Sydney today.
Knew that it was what it was.
Yeah.
Serious between only two of us.
I don't know, there's other girls that I've dated and hung around with, they're not my girlfriend. I never said you're my girlfriend, so therefore you are not my girlfriend. Unless it's said, you're not my girlfriend. And I don't care that my girlfriend now
the other entry over there, somewhere else. It was so good to know to get up.
He used to go on one certain spot, eh?
It's not a crossing, darling. It's not a crossing.
Yeah, crossing's up there. Just walk in front of the car, like it's okay.
On the Gladesville Bridge, a car has broken down through Huntley's Point of Victoria Road, citybound in lane 1 at the moment. Traffic quite slow through Pettit Hills. Pettit Hills Road heading northbound approaching Beecroft Road. Bumper to bumper southbound over the Ryde Bridge. Delays through Moorebank. The M5 outbound approaching Moorebank Avenue.
Some you gotta really hammer them to go, do anything.
Lexus.
Oh, you're gone, mate. You are gone.
It's the same idiot.
Same car, yeah.
Thinks she's on the Autobahn.
Yeah.
Dude up the front in the white car likes the sound of his beeper. Oh, dead car in the road. Dead truck in the road. Oh, special! Across double lines. Good job.
So
Right, big fella. Synopsis, please.
Seems like there are lots of things happening in this song, but not really. It's a collection of...
I'm gonna rip your balls off! What the fuck is that? Holy dog shit!
Thank you so much for having a chat with us. You can watch the episode of You Can't Ask That back on ABC iView, but they're also doing a call out for the new season. Yeah, they're going to be heading into the 6th season of You Can't Ask That, and casting has just opened. They're putting together the following subjects under the microscope: teen parents, amputee.
Play cool, baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything